We've sold some beautiful cars here at Acklam, and this is, in our opinion, the highest spec'd Ferrari Portofino we've ever had. But on top of that, it's got real pedigree. It is one owner from new. It's done 2,500 miles. It's got massive, massive specification. It's in the ultimate colour combination, Rosso with crema interior, but the spec on the car's outrageous. It's got full Ferrari service history, still got Ferrari Service Plan remaining, just serviced a couple of weeks ago. If you're in the market for a Portofino, it doesn't get any better. So if you seriously want to buy one, you want the highest spec, and you want something which has been beautifully looked after. It's only done 2,500 miles. The car is a 2019. It's in the ultimate colour combination. That is as good as you will ever find. It's got a front PPF, and the condition to go with all that is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. The plaque, which I'll show you later in the video, is, you know, on a Ferrari, as you build it, the plaque fills up. This plaque, there's actually an undersection to add more extras on because it's filled that much. So let me tell you about the extras on this car. So Rosso crema interior, you can see that interior is wonderful, but starting at the front, so we've got adaptive lights which are paid for as an option. The big thing about the car for me is it's got the colour combination, but it's got that carbon fibre. The carbon fibre is what everybody wants. So the front nose cone, you've got that carbon fibre front splitter. If you can see this brushed silver section with the horse on there, that's been paid for as an option. You've got parking sensors front and back and camera. 20-inch forged wheels. Again, beautiful condition. Ceramic brakes, yellow Brembo brake calipers, they've been paid for. Centre with a yellow dancing horse in the middle as well. Scuderia shields, extra. So if you look here, but then you've got the Italian flag across the top. That's been paid for. Then if you just come in here, look at these side vents. So the side air intakes, carbon. Splitters along the bottom of the doors, again, carbon fibre. The expense to this carbon exterior is thousands and thousands of pounds. Again, look at this. The surrounds around the rear lights, carbon fibre. Exhaust system, not your standard exhaust system. It's been paid for. It's got the upgraded sports exhaust. You've got that big rear diffuser. You can see the Italian flag there. That's been paid for as an option. It's just a beautiful example of a car with the right colour combination, with massive spec. It's got mag ride, so it's got the upgraded suspension. So you've got 3.9 V8, 600 horsepower, but you've got that little extra of the suspension which just adds to the performance. And it's a tour, isn't it? 4-seater convertible, something you can get in, drive it and use it. And then look at this interior. Daytona seats with a crema, passenger display, carbon fibre everywhere throughout the interior, which I'll show you in closer detail. But if I just open this door, this is when you really see 2,500 miles. You've got this beautiful crema door cards, you've got the red stitching, you've got your memory seats, you've got your Daytona seats, JBL upgraded sound system, and then you've got all that carbon fibre, steering wheel, the bridge, the cup holders, the seat, look at the detailing, the seat belts. Just the ultimate interior to go with the exterior in Rosso. Let me start the car up. Car's covered 2,449 miles. You've got this beautiful steering wheel, which is carbon fibre, got all your different driving modes. But then I just want to show you where all the carbon is on this. Across the centre, you've got your passenger display there, which is a key extra as well. You've got the central bridge carbon, cup holders. What a beautiful car this is. And we sell cars of all different ages, but I just love something like this where it's one owner, 2,500 miles. When the car was ordered new, it was, I think the guy paid £228,000 when it was new. And you can see why, because he specced it tremendously well. You've got all your touchscreen navigation, your media. Just thought I'd show you reversing camera, that's been paid for as an option. Look at this, look at even round here. See that section there? Look at that little bridge there in carbon. Yellow rev counter. Look at the stitching, all that red stitching there across there. It's all extra on the car. The car as well is nice. Just put it into neutral. You've got that sports exhaust. We've warmed the car up. Absolutely phenomenal. I'm just going to pop. I'll just shut the door. And I'm just going to show you the car with the roof up as well, just to give you a bit of an indication to what it looks like with the roof up. There we go. It's got Apple CarPlay as well, which is quite an important extra that customers ask for. It's coming more and more common on Ferraris. They're asking for carbon fibre. There's a couple of other things I'm going to show you. I'm just going to pop the bonnet as well and show you the engine, because I think that will just give, again, you an idea about this car. Look at this. That shows you, doesn't it? Look at that wonderful V8 engine. Beautiful condition. Just how you'd want it, isn't it? That's how you'd want to. If you owned that car and you want to show your friend it, pop the bonnet, look at that. That gives you an indication. Obviously, I mentioned it's got PPF on the front, and I'm just going to show you the plaque as well. Car's got a tracker with it. Again, important on sports cars and cars in general now. There's the plaque. Look at the extras. Absolutely massive. You've got a cover there as well. Everything's with the car from new. What an example. It's going live on our website today. If you want to call me direct, the number's on the bottom of the screen. I can answer any of your questions, but that is the ultimate Portofino with a massive spec, one owner, 2,500 miles. It doesn't get any better.